So my name's Jeremiah. My diagnostic score was a 147, and I ended up finishing with a 166. My goal was to have a 165 plus, and so I got a 166, so we achieved that. And yeah, I ended up getting into Penn Law, which was, yeah, I mean, that's a dream school. I did want to go to a T14 school just because of the doors that I can open. Penn also gave me some money. I got a one-third tuition scholarship as well.
Nice.
So that was, yeah, very fortunate there as well. I mean, all my goals were were met, so I was very satisfied. Still am. The first thing I noticed about him when we started was his enthusiasm and his passion. He really cared about, like, I think that's one of the reasons why me and Camille work so well together is like, man, this guy cares. Like, he really wants to help me get to this goal, and he did ultimately. So I think it's totally worth the investment. It really is like a guarantee of like getting to the score that you want to have. Everyone's first instinct when they look at LSAT tutors is like, whoa, that costs so much. And it's like, well, the result, I mean, it's worth it, at least to me. Like prep for success, to me, it's such like if you're serious about doing well on the LSAT, like this is the way. Like it just is like that. I mean, I can't really like make it more clear than that. Like I just think this is what you got to do. And yeah, I would encourage anybody to do prep for success, and especially with Camille. Yeah, I mean, it really like changed my life.